Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn what is IPO in share market. IPOs or initial public offering gained a lot of news with some super giants like Paytm entering the market. The process of issuing shares of a private firm to the public in a fresh stock issuance is known as initial public offering or IPO. IPOs allow companies to raise funds by selling shares on the primary market. The issuer or corporation that sells shares does it with the support of investment banks. It could be a new, young firm or an established corporation that decides to list on a stock exchange and therefore becomes public. When an unlisted firm seeks to generate capital for the first time by selling securities or shares to the general public, it launches an IPO. An initial public offering can be viewed as a way for the company's founders and new investors to profit fully from their private sector investment. Now let's move on to learn how to apply for IPO. Investors in India can apply for IPO stocks by filing out an online IPO application provided by stockbrokers and banks. UPI-based online IPO applications are available through brokers and bank offers both UPI and ASBA IPO applications. The company shares are traded on the open market after the IPO. Investors can sell their shares on the secondary market for the profit. The first is the offering's pre-marketing phase and the second is the actual first public offering. When a company wants to do an IPO, it will either request private bids from underwriters or make a public declaration to attract interest. Increased transparency, such as that provided by compulsory quarterly reporting, can usually assist a public corporation obtain better credit borrowing condition than a private one. Companies may face a number of drawbacks to going public, promoting them to consider their other options. The fact that IPOs are costly and the costs of sustaining a public company are ongoing and largely unrelated to other costs of conducting business are just a few of the key drawbacks. A corporation that sells its stock to the public is not obligated to reimburse the funds invested by the public. Purchasing an IPO stock can be enticing. A block of common stock purchased at an IPO has the potential to generate massive capital gain decades down the road. In a few decades' time, even the annual dividend income of a very successful company can exceed the initial investment amount. So here are some of the upcoming IPOs for 2022. Some new listed IPOs in the share market that will be coming in the year 2022 are MobiKwik. This Indian giant, based on providing payment service, is ready to step into this game very soon. Second, LIC. This supergiant is gaining all the deserved attention for its expected IPO in 2022. The IPO is projected to be worth between rupees 70,000 and rupees 1 lakh crore. Byju's. This edtech behemoth is about to launch its first public offering. According to reports, the public offering will help the corporation to raise around 40 to 45 billion. Fourth, Swiggy. Instamart, an online grocery delivering platform, was developed by the online food delivery company. It is scheduled to undertake its IPO before the end of 2022. So in this video, we learned what are IPOs and we also learned what are the most upcoming IPOs in 2022. Do like and share our videos to encourage us for making more such content. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.